Payback period with even cash flows. A new operating system for an existing machine is expected to cost $250,000 and have a useful life of 6 years. The system yields an incremental after-tax income of $72,000 each year after deducting its straight-line depreciation. The predicted salvage value of the system is $10,000. Round your answer to 2 decimal places. Payback period is the cost of the investment divided by the annual net cash flow. So our cost of our investment is $250,000, and now we've got to find out what the annual net cash flow is. Annual net cash flow is after-tax income plus depreciation. And because depreciation is considered something that is a non-cash item included in this after-tax income, and if you add it back, you'll get the true annual cash flow. So revenues minus expenses equals net income, and if you assume all expenses are cash except for depreciation, then we're getting closer to this annual net cash flow number. So you take the cost minus the salvage value divided by the life, that's equal to straight line depreciation, and in this problem we're looking at a cost of this piece of machinery of $250,000 minus a salvage value of $10,000. That's going to be combined to come up to $240,000 divided by a 6-year life, and this is going to equal depreciation of $40,000. The cash flow, like I said, is after-tax income, and then you add back depreciation. And it said that the after-tax income on this system was going to be $72,000. We're going to add back the $40,000 worth of depreciation that it assumes is within this $70,000, that is within this after-tax income, to get a cash flow of $112,000, and that'll be our annual cash flow. And so the payback period is going to be the $112,000 divided into the $250 cost of this machinery, and it's going to be 2.23 years. Part 2, or Part B, machine cost $200,000, has a salvage value of $13,000, is expected to last 7 years and will generate an after-tax income of $39,000 per year after straight-line depreciation. So we're trying to find the cash flow under that scenario. Again, the payback period is going to be the cost of the investment divided by the annual net cash flow that this investment generates. So the investment cost $200,000. That's what the machine costs, $200,000. Annual cash flow is, again, the after-tax income plus depreciation added back, and we're looking at revenue minus expenses to get income, and assumes all expenses are cash except for the depreciation. And the calculation for depreciation is going to be the $200,000 cost minus the salvage value of $13,000. That is going to be then divided by 7 years, which gives us 187 divided by 7 years, which is 26,714.29, and I think they want you to round to to whole numbers here, which is 26,714. We'll add that 26,714 back to the $39,000 worth of after-tax income to get the annual cash flow, which is going to be 65,714. Divide the 65,714 into the 200,000, and the payback period is going to be 3.04, or 3 years rounded to 1 decimal place.